The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motor Home is not merely a vehicle, it is a manifestation of absolute elegance, uncompromised luxury, and pioneering engineering in motion. With a name synonymous with prestige, craftsmanship, and legacy, Rolls-Royce has stepped into the world of mobile living with a bold statement: luxury has no fixed location. It now flows with you, across roads, landscapes, and horizons. This motor home is the future of travel, wrapped in handcrafted opulence and driven by silent, all-electric perfection. At first glance, the silhouette is majestic. Long, graceful, and commanding, the exterior lines speak in the timeless design language of Rolls-Royce. The unmistakable Pantheon grille is reimagined with an illuminated crystal finish, a modern homage to its heritage. The iconic Spirit of Ecstasy rises from a retractable column, lighting softly as the vehicle starts. Sleek LED laser headlights are sculpted with subtle detailing, and the coach-style side body flows uninterrupted to the rear in a design that echoes private yachts more than traditional RVs. Built on Rolls-Royce's all-electric architecture of luxury platform, the body is sculpted from aluminum and carbon composites, ensuring both strength and lightness. The extended chassis maintains perfect balance and ride quality. Hidden door handles, rear-hinged coach doors, and a full-length electrochromic glass roof form a seamless surface, blending technological innovation with timeless style. The suspension system features predictive air ride that reads the road ahead, adjusting for imperfections before the vehicle even encounters them, ensuring the signature magic carpet ride remains untouched. Every surface shimmers with handcrafted paintwork, available in colors such as royal pearl, obsidian mist, crimson stone, and moonlight silver. Bespoke options are endless: two-tone schemes, satin finishes, or custom coachline motifs inspired by personal heritage or travel dreams. Stepping inside the Rolls-Royce Motor Home is like entering a moving penthouse. The cabin opens automatically when approached, greeted by illuminated welcome carpets and subtle orchestral chimes. The floor is inlaid with hand-finished walnut and marble veneers. The walls are draped in silk blend panels, custom woven by artisans. Overhead, the iconic Starlight headliner spans the length of the interior, thousands of fiber optic lights forming constellations that can be customized to your birth date, favorite sky, or special memory. The lounge area is a masterpiece of design. Twin club chairs are upholstered in pillowy, ethically sourced leather, tanned with plant-based dyes and perfumed with a signature scent exclusive to the model. The seats recline, rotate, and offer heating, cooling, and full-body massage features. Between them, a foldaway cocktail table in crystal and obsidian rises with a soft hum, holding a minibar crafted by Lalique. Whisper quiet drawers reveal cut crystal decanters and glasses, all stabilized magnetically to prevent movement on the road. Entertainment is delivered via a concealed 65-inch OLED display that rises silently from the wall. A Rolls-Royce exclusive audio system developed with Bowers & Wilkins surrounds the cabin with studio-grade sound. Streaming, live TV, and cinema-quality media are accessible through an AI-powered control panel or by voice. Drapes lower automatically at night, and all lighting is adjustable for mood, color, and time of day. Adjacent to the lounge is a kitchen that redefines mobile gastronomy. Quartzite counters flow around flush-mounted induction cooking surfaces in a concealed convection oven. Smart refrigeration drawers adjust temperature by content and usage pattern. A drawer dishwasher, ultrasonic sanitizer, and automatic spice rack complete the package. Overhead, custom cabinets are finished in leather and polished glass, gliding open at a touch. The bathroom is a wellness retreat. A rainfall shower is framed in frosted crystal and brushed chrome, with aromatherapy steam settings, mood lighting, and custom temperature zones. The vanity is sculpted from a single slab of onyx, with touch-activated mirrors that display weather, news, or lighting controls. The smart toilet is voice-activated, self-cleaning, and designed with discretion in mind. Heated floors, warm towels, and the soft scent of bergamot elevate every moment spent within. At the rear lies the master suite, an indulgent retreat rivaling the finest hotel rooms in the world. A full king-size bed floats above the floor, illuminated softly underneath and dressed in hand-stitched Egyptian cotton and cashmere linens. Bespoke pillows carry your initials embroidered in silk thread. On either side, personal wardrobes, climate control interfaces, and wireless charging pads sit above mahogany nightstands. A retractable skylight lies directly above the bed, offering breathtaking views of the night sky, or a star show of your choosing. Smart glass at the rear wall opens to reveal a private terrace. The rear of the motor home folds down into a teakwood deck, complete with retractable awning, lounge seating, and integrated audio. Whether parked beside a lake, in a forest, or on a cliffside, your mobile villa offers the perfect viewpoint for sunrises and sunsets. Underneath this serenity is a powertrain that is as advanced as it is silent. Dual electric motors powered by a 220 kWh battery provide effortless acceleration, with a total output of 800 horsepower. The range reaches an astounding 750 km per full charge, supported by onboard solar assist and regenerative braking. Charging at 350 kW speeds delivers 300 km of range in under 20 minutes. Torque is immediate, yet controlled, and motion is nearly imperceptible, regardless of terrain. Driving assistance is fully autonomous when desired. The Level 4 autopilot system uses lidar, satellite mapping, and AI to navigate highways and urban environments safely and smoothly. While manual driving is a pleasure in itself, the Rolls-Royce driving assistant ensures that fatigue, traffic, and stress never interfere with your journey. When in manual mode, the steering wheel is hand-carved from walnut, trimmed in leather, and cooled to the touch. Safety is supreme, with biometric locking, 360-degree thermal vision, predictive collision avoidance, and passenger health monitoring built into the core of the system. While the world outside may be unpredictable, your sanctuary remains secure, intelligent, and responsive. Storage is generous and artfully integrated. Side hatches open with gesture control, revealing compartments for luggage, outdoor gear, and lifestyle essentials. A rear garage module houses space for electric bikes, a drone station, or even a compact autonomous golf cart. Each Rolls-Royce Motor Home is custom built to order, offering endless personalization. From inlays made from your family crest to dedicated display areas for art, wine, or literature, no two are the same. The pricing reflects its exclusivity, starting at $1.2 million, with bespoke options potentially doubling that figure depending on detail and customization. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motor Home is not merely about reaching destinations, it is about elevating every mile. It is designed for those who believe movement should never mean compromise, and that luxury should be lived, not locked to one location. It does not follow trends. It sets them. It is where heritage meets tomorrow, one exquisite journey at a time.